Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited for the video. We have an unboxing. This is my Valentine's gift and it's a bit late. So let's start with the perfume I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing YSL Paris perfume. This has a very nice flirty smell. I love it. It has a fruity fragrance actually. Regarding the makeup products I use today, I use the MAC Prep and Prime. So I just spray this first on my face, let it dry, and then I use the foundation. This is the Hollywood Flawless filter. I love this because of the brush. You just need to put dots and put it, you need not touch your fingers with the foundation. And this was a very highly recommended product on YouTube. Eyeliner I'm using today is Wake Up Call liquid eyeliner from Body Shop. It gives a very nice shiny finish on your eyes. Practice using the liquid eyeliner before you can really become professional in using it, because it may just slide and slip everywhere and make it black. So be careful when you use the liquid eyeliner. This is the brow brush I use. This is from Benefit Cosmetics, Gimme Brow. This is also one of the highly recommended brow products. So this has a small brush like a mascara brush, and you can just put it over your brows. You can just buy a dark brown color if you have black brows. Mine is in the number 4. So the lipstick I'm wearing today is Rimmel London. This is in the shade Little Minx, number 310. 16-hour lip color, Provo Calypso it's called. So this is the matte finish. This matches to my dress today. I think you can guess the color of the bag seeing my dress. And this side you can just put it for shine. I haven't put it actually. So the mascara I was using today is my new Dior mascara. So this is the lash primer serum. You first put this and then use this, and it gives a very nice finish to your eyelashes. So let's go to the bag. I ordered this bag from Net-a-Porter. So it comes in a very beautiful black packaging. Thank you for shopping with us. Net-a-Porter is the world's premier luxury fashion destination, offering an expert selection of the most covetable designers, including fine jewelry, beauty brands. So Net-a-Porter is very good for Kuwait, especially. They just deliver you within 3 days, and the items come from UK, I think. And aftercare, to help make your purchases more sustainable, we've put together some useful tips. So different tips how to care for cashmere, silk, denim, wool and knitwear, leather. I'll just put up a picture on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, give me a follow. So I've put up the Instagram account in my description. Kindly go there and give me a follow. I'll put up these aftercare instructions there. Net-a-Porter actually I highly recommend for Kuwait. So this is the beautiful packaging. So this bag is from Jimmy Choo. Let's open it up. I haven't really opened the bag. I just opened the packaging. So this is the bag. It is nicely placed in this box and supported by these tissues so that it doesn't get damaged. When you go for designer stuff, you have to be very careful that it doesn't get damaged. This is the beautiful dust bag of Jimmy Choo, and this is the bag. So I'll just open these up and come back. This is the beautiful bag after I opened up the packaging. I really love this color, and this is made of satin. This is very beautifully stuffed inside. So you need to stuff your bags to keep up the shape, and these are the cards from Jimmy Choo. This comes with a handle. This is in the silver, and a chain. So you can just wrap up the chain in your hand and just hold the bag like this, or you can keep the chain inside. You can tighten up the bag with the bow. This part, you can pull it up and make the bag tight. So this is the bow here, and there's a here also there is something to give it some shape. I think you can keep these, and later I'll put it back so that the bow has the fluffiness. I actually love the bonbon style. I have another bag previously which I bought in the bonbon style, and I really love it. I have in the metallic gold, and it's a very carefree bag. I usually use it with the top handle. It really goes well with reds, pink, black, or any kind of such outfit, and it really gives a pop of color to your outfit. So let us see what will fit in this. It carries mostly your essentials. This is the Chanel mirror. So this was highly recommended product on YouTube before. So I purchased it that time, I think 2 years before I purchased it, and this has mirror on both the sides. It is really nice. So if you want to carry your mirror, some scrunchies, some lip balm, and suppose your lipstick, and it carries quite a lot of things. Let me get my keys and a phone. These are the keys and the phone. So let's see. I'm not sure about the phone, but my phone is foldable and I'm recording with the phone, so I cannot show you. My phone will fit in here because it's a Samsung foldable phone. And keys, of course, and there's so much place left. So it's a quite a good bag to carry your essentials, and you can use it as a top handle or as a shoulder bag or crossbody. So it's very nice, good size. Actually, I took this bag to match with one of my shoes from Jimmy Choo, which I purchased some years ago, but I haven't worn it much. So this is the Jimmy Choo shoes. I really love it. Made in Italy. My size is 37, and this goes very well with this. I wanted to match them and wear, so I was waiting to get the bag. So when my husband asked me Valentine's gift, what do you want? So I just told I want this bag, and I really love the bow in the front. So this really goes very well with this. I wanted to mention my earrings today. These are from Jacquemus. I got them from Farfetch last year on some discount, and these were shipped from UK to Kuwait. Farfetch is also very good, and they deliver it very quickly within a week to Kuwait. So it has the big J here. So it has asymmetric earrings, and I really love it. Jacquemus does some very fun products, and I love their bags, their these earrings. I also have one more earring on my mind. They have a kind of the bag earrings like the Chanel ones, and I really love them. So let's get on to the bag. So this is the bag. This edition of Jimmy Choo's signature bonbon bag is topped with an oversized bow for a touch of playful glamour. Made in Italy from vibrant two-tone satin. It is made of satin. It has a hoop top handle and a slim chain, so you can slip it over your wrist or your shoulder. It's perfectly sized to fit your credit card, keys, and lipstick. So the model here is wearing the red. I'll put up a video on top how they styled it and showed. There's a small video also. So now Net-a-Porter is having a sale and also extra 25% off. So that was the thing. So I got it in a discount. So I'm really happy with Net-a-Porter. Let us do some mod shots with this bag. Let us see how we can style this bag. So I'm carrying it with the top handle. So this is the look. And there is a satin ribbon going till the end. You can open it up and then bring out the chain handle out. You can carry the bag on your shoulder by opening the chain handle. I wanted to mention today's dress. This is from Zara. I really loved it. I bought it, I think, last year sometime in a sale at like 80% off, and it was very nicely fitting me, and it has a backless, so I love it for evenings or some birthday party, something like that. So this perfectly goes with my outfit. Also, this chain, you can turn it up and carry it like this, so it's some kind of a jewelry. Also, you can wear it crossbody, bring the handle back and then crossbody. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.